My G, what up, chat?
What's up? Hey, what up, chat? Your results. Yeah, I'm good.
When did you get here?
I got here like 1 hour ago. I've been out. Yeah,
How long are you in LA for?
I mean, like, I don't know. As long as you want.
We're going to do some fun stuff.
Are you serious?
100%.
I'm locked in, my bro. I'm lucky. I steal some more. You give it to your collect. Really? Locked in, no worry. I'm with you, I'm logged in. Yeah, I'm logged in. We're outside. Let's get the fucking chat. That's all. My bro. Thanks, my bro. Big love. They'll be using the chat. Okay. God do.